the Haksa boardwalk. There's a lot to explore all the way down that way, but I'm going to be kind of walking by here, and you can see all the boating types of things. So they have quite a few right in here. Kayaking, windsurfing, and then they'll go down there and you can see them outside a little bit. So we're gonna kind of try to check that out a little bit. Okay, this is a little slice of Macau that I haven't really filmed before, but I have my other camera, my iPhone camera, so I was able to zoom in and kind of give you an idea of what this looks like. But we're on Haksa Beach. I'll put that up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. The music that I've been doing is this, I play around with lyrics and I put it into the system, so it's kind of AI assisted. So I put the lyrics behind me as well. And let's just do the kind of a walk and talk, but this one I'm kind of standing and talking and just zooming in and showing you another little slice of Macau that you might not know about. So we're at Haksa Beach, the very southern part of Macau, and we have the ocean. What more would you want? Let's go do it. Okay, so I'm going to film this with my camera so you can see that it's here. So you can see somebody getting ready there. Somebody's in the water way over there. Another one over here. Another one's over there. Zoom out a little bit. And there's more over there too. So there's somebody there. And there's more out there. Quite a few. All the way down to Haksa. Okay. Pretty cool. Whoa. Another slice of Macau that somebody might not be aware of. So usually I film with a GoPro, but today I'm just going to film with this camera and just kind of give you a little bit of a taste of what it's all like. It's a nice shot right there with all of them in there. Actually have some Hong Kong islands. This could be China Islands as well. Could be a mix of both. Okay. So I'm gonna go back to the GoPro. So I kind of just stayed still. So that you can just get an idea that it's actually here. This is apartments overlooking Haksa right here. And then you have this space with kayaks and sailing and all kinds of stuff like that, which is kind of cool. Pretty windy day. Actually, it's a typhoon category 3 today as well. And now we're down at the beach. So okay, so I think we're gonna end it right there, but at least you got another slice of Macau there. Apartments. It's called Helene Gardens right there. I'm using the GoPro because the motion is better. Okay.